In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check uploaded photos in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your digital life or just ensuring everything is in its rightful place, it's helpful to know how to access and view your photos stored in Google Drive. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can easily find all the pictures you've uploaded there. First things first, let's start by navigating to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the official Google Drive URL or simply searching for it online. Once you're there, you may need to log in if you haven't already. Use your usual Google credentials to sign into your account. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the main page known as the Google Drive home. With the home page up on your screen, take a look at the top of the window. You'll notice a search bar sitting right there. This search bar is a very powerful tool for sifting through your files, and it's exactly where we need to begin. Click on the search bar and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu contains various filtering options which can help you narrow down your search to find specific files more easily. Next, from this drop-down menu, locate and click on the Type option. You may notice other choices here as well, but for our purposes, we want to focus on filtering by file type. The type filter will allow you to filter your files based on the kind of file you're searching for, whether it's documents, spreadsheets, or in this case, photos. When you click on Type, a list of different file types will be displayed. Scroll down a bit and you'll find an option labeled Photos and Images. Go ahead and select this. By doing so, you're telling Google Drive to only display files in your account that fall into the category of photos and images. This can significantly streamline your search and help you find precisely what you're looking for without sifting through a bunch of unrelated files. And there you have it. By using these steps, you should now see all the uploaded photos and images that are stored in your Google Drive account right there on your screen. This filter is a handy way to ensure that all your visual media is accounted for and is accessible when you need it. Remember, keeping your files organized can save you so much time in the long run, so make sure to make use of these search features whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your Google Drive experience a whole lot easier.